Alright, what's up YouTube? So for today's video, we're gonna kind of do a mashup of a couple things. The first thing I wanted to do was show you guys or give you guys a sound clip of the exhaust work that I got done on the 300 about a couple weeks ago, a couple weeks after I got the vehicle actually. I was gonna use the factory remote start to show you guys from the outside, but I currently have a check engine light due to having no cats on the vehicle. And if you guys didn't know, for all the Mopar guys out there, I know you guys know, if you try to start your vehicle with the factory remote start with a check engine light, it'll probably cut on for about a few seconds and they'll cut back off, safety precautions or whatever. But I thought that'd be a perfect opportunity to show you guys the tuner that I've been using, which is the Diablosport i3 Platinum. And we're basically gonna show you guys how to mess around with it a little bit, clear the codes, clear any check engine lights that you might need to clear. And yeah, after that, we'll get the exhaust clip on this vid. All right, so here it is. This is the Diablosport i3 Platinum. It's probably the latest one that they came out with. I believe these usually retail for about $400. Don't quote me on that. But I know they're a couple $100. I actually got this off a reputable seller on one of the 300 Facebook groups. And yeah, I got a really good price on it and I couldn't pass it up. So first impressions on it, really easy to use. For somebody who's like brand new to tuning or has no idea what the fuck they're doing usually, like myself, it's pretty straightforward. The settings on the actual tuner device are pretty straightforward. It comes with your handheld, as you can see. Pretty small, very light. And then you just stick this end right into your OBD2 port. And I'll start it up and let you guys see that. All right, so once it's plugged in, you'll see the startup screen boot up. Might take a minute here. All right, there you go. You'll see a little message just stating that you agree to the terms. You're gonna hit yes. Yes again, there we go. And then you have different options. The first one, if you're tuning your vehicle. The second one is your scan tool, which we're going to be using today to clear any codes that you may have on a dash. And then your settings for more miscellaneous options. So since we're trying to clear that check engine light, we're going to hit scan tool. And now it's going to ask you to please ensure the key is in the run position. So I'm going to go here. Click it twice so it's on run. You're then going to hit continue. And now you can ask them to show you the trouble codes, or you can just clear them. And at the bottom you see you have data logging. But if we hit show trouble codes, as you can see, we have the PO420 and the PO430. Basically, I have no cats on the vehicle, so that's the reason these codes are showing. We're gonna hit clear trouble codes. Gonna hit yes. It's another confirmation screen. And that is it. That simple. All right. Now that we're done with that, we can go ahead and turn this bad boy on. probably guessed it, extremely loud, but I like it. I don't know if you guys could probably hear that, but the in-cabin noise isn't too bad. They did a good job building the interior of these cars. You don't hear it too much if you have the windows up. But yeah, pretty badass. So of course, naturally, I can't take an exhaust clip vid and not do the driving portion. So I'll do my best to hold my phone steadily. Speed bump. Oh, here's the tunnel. I have to. So at cruising speeds, it's not that unbearably loud. Oh, and yeah, by the way, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but it is straight piped. No mufflers, resonators, cats, none of that. It's a true dual 3-inch. Oh, sorry. Quick snack break. Honestly, the best part of the exhaust for me is the burbles and pops when it downshifts. It sounds so good. It's not even tuned for that, honestly. Let me know what exhaust setups you guys are running, what performance gains you guys have noticed. Obviously, this is straight piped, so you usually lose a couple ponies, but yeah, to me, the sound is worth it. Also, it's the 5.7 Hemi, in case anybody was wondering. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned.